And just when they said you couldn't find cool vintage computing equipment anymore, well, check out what I just found today and got for free. It's a 1988 Samsung MultiSync II. It's a JC1402 HMA, and check this out. It's got the original cable, and you see this cable here? Yeah, that looks like a regular analog VGA cable, but if you pop it off, which is kind of tricky, well, if you pop it off, under there is a 9-pin. You know what this means? This means this will work with my 486 up over there, which has got a lot of crap on it, and it'll work with the Tandy 1000 that's under my TV where my eBay sale is going. This is an incredible find. Oh yeah, we've got to check it out. I just got to change Windows to 640 by 480. Now my 486, things about these NEC monitors, which as we can see, here's the model number and all that. They were February 1988. Ooh, it's an Aquarius. One of the things about these monitors is you have to set everything over here. So you'll want to turn manual off because that'll automatically put it in PC mode. So then it automatically detects gray color. In color mode, I'd say we're going to scoot it all the way over to 64 because it's got multiple modes, and that just seems like correct. Plus, when I got it, it already had the VGA connector on it. Get that bottle of water out of my way. Diet. I haven't plugged it into the card yet, but time for the moment of truth. Well, that looks promising. Okay. Now we're going to plug it in, and we're going to see what works. It has a few issues relating to the monitor cable. If I fiddle with it back here, nothing. So the problem is monitor cable's probably roughed up, but I've got some ways to fix that. Just pull from my pedal board stash. What's wrong? The port and back is all jankered up and probably needs resoldered. So I shall do that. NEC MultiSync with the back cover off. This is my main target because this is not really loose, but I think there's some cold solder joints in there. But I somehow got to get in there and get that out of the drive cage so I can solder it. I'm just hoping it's one of those things where I can just remove like 3 or 4 cables, remove the whole module, and then do all the soldering from the module instead of having to touch all this crazy high voltage stuff over here. Tandy 1000. fix this Samsung NEC MultiSync II Model number JC1402 HMA. I got it from Computer Surplus. So this is a CGA EGA monitor running on a 1985 Tandy 1000. Kind of a mess right now because I've been fixing it. And we're on XT IDE Universal BIOS. Let's snap a picture of that. Let's boot. You have an 8 GB hard drive and an Intel 8088 based PC. And check this out. Ultima 5 running on a Tandy 1000A. Specifications are Intel 8088 processor at 4.77 megahertz. Come on, refocus, dang you. 640K RAM, a 3C5029 NIC card, and TGA video and TGA sound, which is disabled right now because the wife's asleep. I just fixed the TTL circuitry on this 88 Samsung MultiSync II monitor. And right now we're about to test it out with a little Ultima. Let's hit escape. That is beautiful. Look, Tandy looks really good on here. There we go. Come on, you sleepy little 8088. Need to put an NEC V20 in this thing eventually. And journey onward. Check out how slow this is. Ooh, my pacemaker. My pacemaker.